Here we go. We all know LinkedIn. It's a great platform to find a job and build professional connections. So I was looking for a job and I thought, why not LinkedIn? So I reached out to more than 1,000 recruiters. My account almost got banned and the results might surprise you. You might ask why I did it. I was looking for a job. Then the question arises, how I did it. In the search box, I searched about a term hiring recruiter. After that, I filter out the people only in my inner circle. I got more than 1,000 results. So I messaged each and every person to get a job. It took me more than 6 hours continuous to send the messages and the results might surprise you. So just sit tight. First of all, I started the process using my mobile phone and after 2 hours my account automatically got logged out. Then I moved to the website and continue the process. After spending 4 hours in the website itself, I got a warning. It looked like I am using a bot and my account logged out automatically. For a few hours I was not able to log in. Then the question is, what message did I send? This is the message that I sent. Hello, myself Pulkit, having that much year of experience, good at this and this, and achieved that and that. Have that much of experience, worked with that and that company. And if you find me a good fit, please refer me. I have not mentioned the job ID, just send the resume link. So this is the common message that I sent to each and every person. Then I waited for almost 7 days to collect the data and the data might surprise you. So after sending the message to more than 1,000 people, I only got a response from, sit tight, from only 33 people. Yes, that's the exact number of responses. And in the response, they replied, hi, we will get back to you. Thanks for sharing your resume and that and that. And I have not received any call, any interview call. Then I realized it was a stupid idea.